Well, as we saw in the previous video, this is cracked. The frame, this actually starts down here and goes up and like that, and it tries to go through that. What I did here was I cut a 2.5 or 3.5 piece of plate. I don't know exactly what size it was. Pretty stout stuff. Anyway, I got that bolted in there. Now this is all brought back, and what I'm going to attempt to do, ouch, man, that's sharp right there. I'm going to attempt to weld this. Now my welding is crappy looking, and the process of welding itself is crappy for my part. So I'm not going to try to video that. I'll just see what happens if I batch it and get it all botched up and everything. Well, it's just the way it's going to be. All right, I'll get back after. Well, we got this pretty solid now. I made these little tabs to mount this part here. They were broken. I made them out of better steel. I still got to remember to tighten them up there because I left them a little loose for some play. And you can notice the weld is a mighty botchy job, but I found there that professed to be a good welder. And honestly, this is the first time I ever tried to use that wire feed outfit. But I think as well secured as these are here, and I don't think that's going to really be an issue. Well, I got to go in the house now and look at some diagrams and see where this little piece, or how I know where it goes, just don't know how it goes. So I can figure that out. All right, back in a while. Bilt came in for this today. I'm hoping they're the right ones. Almost looks like it's pretty small, but maybe it's okay. Alrighty. We got the 7/8. Yeah, 7/8 anyway. Someplace pop that thing down. Well, there we go. That is somewhat tight. Right at my hand. There we have it. Well, this is coming up windy. Dang. All right. There's that. There's this. String driver out there. We don't have to have that pulley all the way off, just got to get it so where we can get the belt out of there. Come on here. Now. Well, shit. Yeah, that's probably right. That's probably right. Okay. All right, so much for that. And so now, oh hell, I took a little nap while ago, but I'm still not quite over it. Let's see now. Let's see here. That piece here. Let me get this stuff somewhere out of the way a little bit here. Get back here. Boy, I tell you what's much junk and weight here. Now, let's see if that's right or not. Let's attempt to flip this over. This chair in approximately the right place here. Not quite the right place. There. That ought to work. Now then, what do we got so far? Give me this thing here. Now, all right, wait a minute here, we'll figure this out. All righty, well, I'm gonna need to take this pull it loose one, pull it back and get away from all them guides up there. Get here. Oh, get over here. Yep. Get here. On there. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. There we go. That thing's already out. I don't know how it got that way, but it is. I'm probably going to have to. What the heck is this? Oh, that's just a guide. Okay. Now I see. All right, comes back a little bit, but what's that? Probably half over there. Let's see here. Probably keep all my stuff together, so let me see if I can find that. Now, well, I'm back. We're going to See if I can find the appropriate items here. That's a hat. I think that's what that is. It might be a 7/16 back in there. Way back in here. What is that? That's a hat. All right. Here's this. And here's this. Just have to loosen that up a little bit. So wherever we can use this, slide down. Well, we just want to go ahead and take it off. And then this pulley and that belt comes off there. Push that out of the way. And get over here and get that belt. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Alright. This goes through here. Goes up here. And see the little key thing is it's right here. Put this up on here like that. And push this through here. There you go. There. Inside all of the, what you call it there? Oh boy. Yeah, let's see, get this up in here. There we go. Oh, and I hear the ambulance coming down the road. Oh, come here, you. Perfect torque connection. Yeah, let's see here. This thing, well, I think it'll still in there. I think I can work that one in later. Yeah, we're gonna say we can. If not, I'll loosen it up later. Okay, where you at here? There's that one. Okay, now we'll go around the other side. Now, we should be able to just kabuberate this thing. But I don't know if we can or not. Get this up over here, like a little something like that. And I don't know about this guide back here on the bottom. Yeah, that should come off. All right, that's that. There's that old moldy stuff I got. Now, let's see for sure that we got this right. Oh, come on here. Come on here. And this has to go. Pull that variable speed thing up and get in behind that. And under here. And this other one. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to move you all out of the way so I can. It's just another guide down here. I gotta work that under, so get back. All right. Well, gotta put the tighten this pulley back up here. Gotta put the nut back on it. Had to take it loose just to so you get the belt through there. It's a big drive pulley goes on the transaxle. Yeah, let's see what we can do here now. Yeah, we gotta find something to. I just put it behind that bar right there. There we go. And here. There we go. Close the bottom.
502 CK, Highway 28 Buchanan Road, and turn on Jaspersburg. It's going to be sticking out on the left. Cream colored house with a tin roof. Guys, you're on scene. That's correct. 268 on scene.
Don't know if that's right or not. Kind of don't look like it is. Yeah, it looks like it's running straight. Alright, I'm going to tighten this up a little more.
Yes, guys, at all 502, we do have updated patient information.
Let's tighten up. Alright.
The original RTP called back and stated this started around 5:30. He doesn't have any chest pain, but he does have a history of heart problems and angina. They have a heart machine there, but they can't get his blood pressure on it. He's had about 3 to 4 tick bites in the last few days. I'm not sure if that's what's causing this.
Alright, now. Yeah, let me shut the scanner off. There's somebody. Ambulance had to go check somebody out. Alright. Now, back in a minute. Well, may not be a very good view of this, but these springs sometimes can be a little bit perplexing to get in. So we shall put this through here, and get that through there. Get that through there. There you go. And put that through here, and we'll get back here and give this the old college pull. Get it there. Yeah, there you go. And then, yeah, it's in the hole down there. And then get busy in the tank. Pull that string back out there. All right, that's in there, but like I said, I'm not real sure that bottom belt is the right one. This is a mower deck thing. This is something else. I don't know what the hell that is. Anyway, well, while we're here, let's show you a little more about what happened here. These, get over here where you can see better. These little tabs were broke off up here. I think I showed you before. So I fixed one on there and bolted this, and on the other side, it's pretty heavy stuff. It's hard to bend, and then when I had it turned up on the side, I should have showed you the plate that's back under here where I put the thing and the bocce job welded on there. So, all right, that's that, and I don't know. I guess I'll attempt to start putting the fender assembly back on. So we'll get back later, and we got some. All righty, well, it's back together. Putting these knobs back on works the same way with putting air in them and pushing them down and taking them off. Works great. Anyway, we got everything on it except the steering wheel, and I have to wait for that big washer that goes to the bottom to get it broken off too. So overall, it seemed to work good. I kind of thought that belt was a little loose, but I got on there and moved forward and backwards. So apparently that's it. Well, thank you for watching, and everybody for subscribing and all those kind of things. So bye for now.